and therefore Baumia cannot fire anybody. Mutie Baumia, he can share boy ya or didn't announce video. What did the vice president say? Or say conduct now yes show video no me no correct according to no dia. According to the video ne Canada and they know the OGD say that minister does not fit to hold that way office. He says that the past doesn't stop with him. And this all can say Baumia you are not thinking straight. Number 2, National Security Chairman and our boss Kandapa and you know any recruit to signing for appointment and termination letters. The person that now what also be to me no more be more Hopeson mame because they're very important. We need to start killing these type of when if you talk one is to me solve near the better radio so near they make you unnecessary disaffection for the party. No, it's not worth it. To be honest with you, the American say first and foremost the letter is not a recent letter, and your letter a true and then in some way at the honorable secretary. No, it's never like that. That's honorable now beka no kura on cover letter no on family social media or no away there or no any property on fasa embra because a yaya man can say national security was about to release the actual letter. Now actual letter no so better about I don't think say even media houses will give Hopeson the chance to go and talk. So what I say, I try to tell him, honorable, don't let these people beat you into anything. You are stronger than that. But that is what he has chosen to do, and that is what is going to be. But the letter is not a new letter in the first place. Let's get that clear. Number 2, say a bano say or support to Alan in tea and a year in a dinner. Me pese me jina ha eka se hwe be enye no correct to make sure say her family is put together. Nti coming to do this to your own party is not going to gain you anything. Like I said, no. One thing I'm a percent for ETIAS and say, sa narrative na and a party no some party na yemwa na some party na yemwa no. Say mama yi chai sa I'm like a narrative no. Number 1, party, yes. Yeah, the party for a share to memua ye. But one thing I so when they say, yet to obey you say brabe ya pine and your party. It will buy your responsibility is not just MPP people. Because when you do that, you will create some sort of a security threat. May who say, oh, I buy with the phone kwan or show mo phone kwan in your contract. It will create a security tension for you, even the ruling government. So I don't know why MPP phone bichana yemfa yenkro phone gum because san NDC for ye. When the catch say NDC phone ma membu. NDC people don't understand what politics is. All they know is say yenko ye propaganda, yenye mule yenko Jimmy, yenko chankwasi anum nankro for Monday and so that is all they know. But you MPP day in day out after President Kufuor, you are making a statement say indeed you have the blueprint to transform Ghana. Na me nye MPP anka minti bi da se yetumi de obi ho tan hye ni tirim. Na me anka sa metamfo na matotu ama ne so mfe nkokume. And then the MPP for the year NDC for Eduma Momo. You don't even see NDC complaining no more. Because Oma Tosa the end of the Ashi trim, enti and nam, and a sebi synchrophobia, ye did ye jaumo, ye near bindi ye. It is your momo soria, or beb bomb pie say, ne party international say noon son da, edun suchanano, and ye no shame, or pursue bidding in the year. Number 1, I want us to throw these 3 things out. Okay, so I'm a birthday, but it's a variety thing. I could choose to talk about anything that I want to talk about. And I'm talking about Hopeson's supposedly, but also what you say it been also started from the party, so an answer from the government, also started almost kasa. It will not fin now quite funny affair, and you shouldn't throw that kind of point, especially when you're an intelligence guy like Honorable Hopeson. There's so many avenues. You are at the airport, you came to national security. So what you are saying, there is so many places, Honorable Hopeson per se, or here or government, and that was the advice I was asking him. But he told me point blank, me fancy mo. Honorable catcher me say, so mo catcher no so uncle the finance minister cry on pay anything from the government anymore. That is what he told me. When I was trying to tell him, say, into your GD say, or kwa bonte ko kasa we na a beneficial change say ubenya, and he chose that. Like I said, I don't control him. So I just say, but me kwesi apiade. I don't see the sense in him coming out, especially when you are Hopeson Adoye, who has the apparatus working for you. Ope Juma Wohen, immigration, wine, party office, Alan Camp, wine camp. You can be able to get it. Whatever you want, you can get it because you have paid the price. So I just say, you have already made your mark. In him say, a ban one more junkyard dog, a Juma, Edema MPP. Hopeson, your name doesn't pass first three. Number 1, number 2, number 3, your name has to be inside. So people know your repertoire. So you didn't really have to come outside to make this thing. Now, sebi, NDC for to me the akodada yen crofoni bi that say amahu Hopeson kra or far we mu and I mo hwe Hopeson ono kra mo hwe dia maye no. When you do that, you are creating a debt, or you are as a tu amona e dia ma wan kasa wo party a wo claim say odo. Honorable Hopeson, this is to you. I'm your boy, so me I can talk to you direct. You know me. So I just say what you did, no, it's like what the 80 MPs went to do. You guys are just okay. Say I'm by a hobby and say party, and you don't do that, honorable. Especially a party Ujina radio should defend it. A party one kasa wo can the plane say mona mo ye ya me yedi na do dan kwaku for do be dia. You don't help destroy something you help build. I don't really respect that thing you did. I don't, because just like I told you, honorable, on the phone, there are so many avenues you could have taken to speak your grievance and even get more than what you even had. At the end of the day, what is national security? There was nothing. You were surviving by yourself. Your businesses are all one kasa was shipping and 1 or 2 things be me bag Ghana, me who juma and your politics they feed you. That is why I'm surprised you go and radio and say Ube Didi. Hopeson, and yet politics they feed you. You know that. Politics doesn't feed you. So I just say, Emma, when you're such a beautiful wife who is an industrious, hard-working lady who is willing to do whatever and whatever termination. First and foremost, this termination letter that we are talking about, it didn't start today. You understand? So termination, yeah, and then we decided so the paper public and then they see it and see last week. Muti honorable sack letter said the termination letter. It didn't come last week. And I'm saying this because I was in Ghana. When I say this, I was in Ghana because in Ghana I was close to him. So most of the things that was happening, some of them I had the opportunity to be privy to, of which I'm grateful to him for letting me know some of these things. So what you say, it is not now. Now, Adia Bako and Mammy decided to make address way, and then they say, Matis and Crawford the narrative because Baumio said dainty, yes, on support to Baumia, Entina ya Pamono. And to me, say honorable cancer, Nyansen in the first place. I believe say Yakuma, na ba into